47 Central. Sounds like we got shots fired. Sheriff's office, come outside! Sheriff's office! They're right here in this room, but I got no cover. Show me your hands now! Open the door! He just barricaded. He just locked the front door. After second shot fired, subjects barricading the house has locked the front door, closing all blinds. Come here, ma'am. Come to me. Stay down, ma'am. Stay down. Stay down.
Behind you, brother. Behind you. On fire. Behind you, brother. Behind you.
Stay down, ma'am.
Unit to the house now. I don't know.
He's coming out this bedroom window, so watch your six. He's coming out this bedroom window, so watch your six. We have kids inside the house.
Figure out! I got you. I know, baby. I know.
.49, you got a visual on the front window. I'm pinned down behind the tree here.
What do you got? Who's in the house? Which one do you have? Make sure that you have the right one. Who's in the house? Everybody's gone. Come here, sweetheart. Come here, buddy, come here. Come here. Stand up with your hands up. Do it now. Palm to us. Keep your hands up. Turn around and walk towards our voice.
Get ready to stop him.
Wall stoppers. Stay here. We're walking him to us. Stay away from those windows.
Guys, remember, that might not be the shooter, so you stay behind cover and confirm it.
Keep walking towards us. Go underneath that. Keep walking. Go down to your knees. Keep your hands where you can see them. else in the house?
No, there's one.
Volusia County Sheriff's Office, anyone inside the home, come out with your hands up.
Safe, I promise there's nobody else.
Where's the rifles? Right
The rifles are actually in the kitchen, sitting on top of the kitchen counter. I have the 9mm is there, and also the AR-15 is there.
And also the AR-15. They're on the kitchen counter.
On the kitchen.
6 to the 9, you need any more
Front door
units in
open?
the area.